are 25 in the live. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to everyone who wished me happy birthday and who watched the 25 video. Those are my favorite videos to make. And I'm really trying to figure out how I can do this whole podcast thing, because I think that'd be cool. Something new, something to add new content to the channel, something fresh. But for today's video, we are going to be reinstalling our DEVSPORT side splitters for the RSX, because we need to do something to the RSX, and DEVSPORT finally came through with a new side splitter and a front chin splitter. But I won't be able to put the chin splitter on because, well, my lip ain't painted, because I want to buy a new front bumper before I paint the lip. I want to do everything. I want to just so without further ado, let's load up the side splitters. We're gonna forward over to Fred's crib because he needs help on his car, and he was like, bro, what? I can't vlog. It's been a minute. So how I celebrated my birthday was by doing absolutely nothing. It was Sunday. It was raining like hell. We couldn't go out for my birthday dinner. So I just ordered some B-dubs. Nah, me, I had a little, you know what I mean? I'm cooling at the crib. Nah, me. What's funny is every year on my birthday, I don't like the attention, because I'm like, oh man, like, I never wanted to accept all the birthday love that I would get, because I'd be like, oh man, these people don't mean it. And that was always due to just me not having the self-love to know that, like, people do love me that never met me. You know what I mean? Or don't talk to people. I do things for people that I don't even know that I do for them. I provide them with, you know, hope or, you know, inspiration, something. I do something to people to where, like, they just show me love, and I'm always like, nah, they don't mean, like, I'm always denying their love for me, and that was because I didn't love myself, obviously. So, like, this year, it was amazing to see all the love I was getting, man. Like, just, it was amazing. Like, I can't thank everyone enough for just showing me love, man. Like, I really appreciated it, and I thank y'all, man. That's how I celebrated my birthday, dog. I just chilled at the crib, man. That's it, man. Dolo solo, baby. I feel good, though. I feel real good about this upcoming year, man. I hope I get some money, dog. I need to make some bands. I might start daily uploading on this. I'm finna daily upload like a mug. Hopefully this year we run into a ton of money. I mean a dump truck. Merch going crazy. Videos going crazy. Sponsorships, promo deals going crazy. That's the goal, bro. I really want my CTR, dog. I'm gonna grind my ass off for my CTR. I'm doing it. And I'm getting a house. I'm gonna do both. Why not? I'm the GOAT. I can do whatever I put my mind to. You heard? But yeah, we're on our way to Fred's house. Let's get it.
Tonight when you're Houston, the next night is chat.
Pulled up at Fred's house. Fred rich, bruh. Hey, Fred, show him your funnel, dog.
Nigga's a regular funnel.
Bro, look at that funnel, dog.
Oh
Fred
God.
rich, bruh. Dog, and he got the Torco on deck with the Marauder. iPhone 12? This boy rich, bruh. Dog.
You see the struggle, bro. We taking it back in the day, bro. You feel me?
Fred, you rich, dog.
I can't find a charger for it, though.
Dog, that's a 3GS?
Yeah, man.
Boy, rich, dog. He told Steve Jobs them people to bring it back. My life goal is to be like Fred, bruh. But as you can see the title of the video, let's get it crackin' on our DEVSPORT. So this is my driver's side. It's kind of clapped right here, but you know, I ain't want to buy a new one because if it ain't really broke, don't really fix it. Super facts. So that's the purpose of that. And then the homie over at DEVSPORT hooked it up with the passenger side when I got in my accident. So that's cool. I got my chin splitter in here too, so we're gonna unbox everything, and you know the vibes. Yeah. But they're gonna roast my outfit, dog. It's the step out the house fit.
You want the table?
Huh?
You want to unbox on the table?
No, I already got it unboxed. Let's get it. Let's go. Chin split. Oh, what's in the package? What's in the package right here, Playboy? I know DEVSPORT ain't hooked me up with some extra stuff. I know my boy ain't hooked me up. My boy hooked me up. Let's see. Oh, I thought my boy. See, all right. I had to make sure I wasn't getting hooked up. You know what I mean? We got everything we need. got everything we need. We got everything we need. All right, first step first. Gotta remove this motherfucker, you heard? It's already loose. Yeah, you can tell my paint really ain't stick. It is what it is, y'all. All right, passenger side's all done. Now we're doing the driver's side right here. Look how good it looks already. Ooh, look how good that looks already. Slowly. The reason why I want to get a new front bumper is because you see all this stuff right here. Like that right there. I don't like that at all, bro. At all, my guy. Like right there too. Trash, guy. So I wanted to get a new front bumper. Like, oh, they could fix it. Yeah, but they probably won't. So, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But that looked good right there, though. Let's finish it up now. Let's go ahead and finish it up on the driver's side. That's what Fred be watching, dog.
My gig and shit be coming slowly. Everybody lose track.
What is the movie called, Fred?
Trying to come up.
I wish Eric had me.
God, I need to get my thing situated, man. Side skirts look so good, man. A-spec side skirts. DEVSPORT side splitters. Ice mold flare. I just need my wheels, my front lip, my splitter back on. We're gonna look decent. But I gotta find a new front bumper. If anyone in Florida has a 02 to 04 Acura RSX front bumper, please let me know so I can buy it.
Somebody send this guy a cluster so you can stop crying.
Oh, I also need an LS cluster. Oh yeah, I didn't even say that. Yeah, if anybody got an LS cluster they want to sell me, I gotta be OBD2 from a 97 Integra. Please let me know. Thank you. I wanna drive my Integra, man. I wanna drive my Integra. At least from the back it don't look too bad. Pause. For those that may ask, yo Zosh, bro, where the wheels at for the RSX? I want you to know my email finally got in the right hands of the company Kansai. So hopefully soon, you know, I had Gary helping me. Shout out to my man Gary, Mr. King anytime on the gram and on YouTube. So he put in the word for me. So hopefully soon, bro, we'll have the RSX on some Kansais, man. That's the goal. You know, just have a nice little clean looking daily, bro. Fred say my problem is I'm trying to turn a daily into a race car. That might be my issue for real. But I just want to roll clean, man. That's all.
I hate this shit.
Fred also going through it. What happened, bruh?
God, this is fucking tight. Oh, this shit hot, dog. Everything's all crammed up, dog.
Bro, just sell me the turbo kit, bruh.
Man, you even had a whole car, bro.
Say less. Bruh, Fred the GOAT. When I tell y'all this man the GOAT, I get Regas, PCIs, turbo kit. Part out though. If anybody need anything, let me know.
Nah, this shit's so dumb, bro.
He made me not want to go. He dropped the attic. Red, go.
Bruh. Oh,
Hey.
If people want to watch on record, bro, I can't, bro. Dog.
Hey, Fred, you can't even drive the car, man. You can't even know how fast you going. Oh, shit. Bro. Oh, dog. Oh, man. Fred going through it right now, bruh. Y'all pray for Fred, dog. And pray for the coupe. It might be a for sale ad in about 20 minutes, man. Hey, it get easier, Fred. Just watch a 25 video recap, man. Put your energy to where it need to be. You know what I mean? Sometimes in life, bruh, you gotta just take a moment back.
Bro, what the f*** Allen Key went, bro?
I don't know, bro. I found it the first time. I don't think I can find it the second time, dog. Oh, you got it. Goat, bruh.
Dog, bro, I swear to God, I'm about to go all motor, man. Bro.
Oh my God, dog. Bro,
If I was an engineer, bro, I swear to God, I'll redesign some shit, bro.
just don't drop it, dog.
Have all this over here, so you got more space. Like, bro, like, come on, bro. Like, dog, how am I even supposed to tighten this right now, dog? How am I supposed to get in here to tighten that, dog? How am I supposed to put this Allen key in there to tighten that, bro?
I think you need an extension, dog.
This is my bomber clock, dog. This is fucking foolishness, yo. Look at that, bro. It's so There's no physical way for this to fit, dog.
You gotta take off the turbo, bruh.
I'm not taking off shit.
The turbo gotta come off, bruh.
Alright, bro. This car will come out my garage before I take this bitch off.
That boy Fred got a tune in a couple of days. Can't even get the thing tight, bruh. Hey, it get easier though.
You know what? I know what I'm gonna do.
Uh-oh, what you about to do, bruh?
Facebook Marketplace is a bit.
Now, I may not have Zosh Bro Go Turbo money or Zosh Bro Where the Evo money or anything like that. But the money I do got, let me put y'all on to something. Actually, y'all, I probably won't be doing this. Bam! Yeah, you see it, Fairlight. This John of milk, hits for $3 and some change. That's expensive, bro. For a half a gallon, dog. But this milk slap, bro. It's lactose free. Y'all know most black folks are lactose intolerant. You know what I mean? I don't know. That's just the way God designed it. You know what I mean? Cause we don't deal with that. I don't know. But yeah, figured I'd use my platform to, you know, let you know how much money I got. Time to close out this video. Also, this right here, slap. For the $10, bro. You know, bro, I'm self-sufficient. Get a woman. I don't never need a woman. I don't need no woman. A woman needs me. You feel me? You know what I mean? Hey, that's it. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like on the video. And if you did not enjoy this video, please leave a dislike on the video. As a 25-year-old, I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of you guys. I hope you guys know that. Shout out to the homies over at DEVSPORT for rocking with your boy. Sending me out another package, man. Like, bro, I appreciate you guys. Thank you. If you guys want some aero on your car, be sure to click the first link down below to DEVSPORT. Go show some love. Buy something. I wish I had a discount code, but I don't, sadly. I'll try to work on that for y'all. But other than that, hey, I'm gonna try my best to daily upload, just bring you guys some content daily, fresh, you know what I mean? I think Fridays I wanna do like a sit down type or drive it. I think Fridays, probably freestyle Fridays, where I'll just like drive around in the car talking about a topic that you guys wanted me to talk about. It'd be something similar to like a 25 video, but like just one general topic and then we'll just talk about it. And that could be a way to create content every single Friday, no matter what. It's simple, it's easy to do, you know what I mean? Just let me know what you guys want me to do, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, Playboy. I'm out. Peace.